Hi, Cadet here. I'm going to do a mic review on a FIFINE Mini. You might hear kids in the background downstairs. That's a good mic test. This right now, I'm using a Logitech conference cam about 18 inches away. We'll see how that audio is, and then I'm going to compare it to this mic, which is technically the FIFINE Gooseneck USB microphone Disco RD and tutorials K050 new. Let's see. All right, let's switch mics and try it out. Okay, this is a test with the microphone. As you can see, pretty close, maybe 6 inches. The kids are still making noise, so that's a perfect test. They're downstairs, but the door's open and they're loud. When am I talking to the microphone? How's it sounding? I'm going to put it down on the desk. I'm going to tap it. I'm going to just stand here and see if there's any feedback problems. It's right out of frame. It's right on the top of my desk. I'm not sure. There doesn't seem to be any controls, but what am I set at for audio on this Mac? I am set for input is at 68%. So let's see. I'm going to change it to 50% input volume and 25% input volume. This microphone. Oh, let's put it up to 50%. I bet that's going to be good. A quick test for this microphone. Brought to you by ADTry. Testing the commercial voice in the new FIFINE microphone. Now, back to your regular programming, but don't forget to subscribe, kids, and let me know what you'd like more of. All right, stay audible out there.